Welcome back to Digital Cars Info, your trusted source for the latest and officially confirmed car updates. Today, we're diving into all the details of the 2025 Fiat Toro, a model that's been generating significant interest across the automotive industry. And now, thanks to the latest announcements straight from Fiat, we finally have all the confirmed features, upgrades, and performance improvements to share with you. According to the latest updates directly from Fiat, the 2025 Fiat Toro is not just a facelift but a comprehensive upgrade in almost every aspect. Fiat has re-engineered the Toro to offer a more premium experience, focusing on power, comfort, technology, and safety. The refreshed styling is immediately noticeable, featuring a bolder front grille, sharper LED headlights, and a more muscular stance that enhances its road presence. Fiat has also introduced new alloy wheel designs and updated color options, giving customers more personalization choices right from the showroom floor. Under the hood, the 2025 Fiat Toro has received a significant performance upgrade. The new model now comes equipped with a more powerful 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine, delivering 200 horsepower and 460 Nm of torque, an improvement over the previous model's 170 horsepower and 350 Nm. This boost in output results in better towing capacity, stronger off-road performance, and smoother highway cruising. Additionally, Fiat has enhanced the engine's fuel efficiency with advanced tuning and improved turbocharging technology, ensuring better mileage without compromising power. Another highlight of the 2025 Toro is the introduction of a brand new 8-speed automatic transmission. This new gearbox replaces the previous 6-speed unit and offers smoother gear shifts, improved acceleration, and optimized fuel economy. The 4x4 capabilities have also been refined with enhanced traction control systems and off-road driving modes that adjust the throttle response, suspension, and braking systems according to terrain conditions. Fiat has also taken the interior to the next level. The 2025 Toro comes with a redesigned cabin that reflects a more premium and modern appeal. The dashboard now features a fully digital 10.1-inch instrument cluster, paired with a new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The infotainment unit has been upgraded with faster response times and a more intuitive user interface. Fiat has included voice assistant integration, over-the-air updates, and a new connected car suite that enables remote start, vehicle tracking, and climate control through the official Fiat app. Comfort-wise, the new Toro offers ventilated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof in its higher variants. The seat upholstery has been upgraded to premium leather options, and the overall cabin insulation has been improved to reduce road noise and enhance the driving experience. Rear passengers will also appreciate the increased legroom and the addition of rear AC vents. Safety has always been a focus for Fiat, and the 2025 Toro now comes with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, lane keeping assist, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system. The vehicle structure itself has been reinforced with high-strength steel for added protection during collisions, and the airbags have been updated to include front, side, curtain, and knee protection. In terms of technology, the Toro is now equipped with wireless charging, a premium sound system tuned for immersive audio, and multiple USB-C ports for faster device charging. Fiat has also improved the keyless entry and engine start system, and new ambient lighting options let drivers customize the interior feel to suit their mood. The load bed has been redesigned for more versatility, offering better lighting, added tie-down points, and an optional bed liner. Fiat has also confirmed that the tailgate mechanism is now damped and easier to operate, making loading and unloading more convenient than before. According to Fiat, the 2025 Toro will be available in multiple trims with various drivetrain configurations, allowing buyers to choose between urban comfort or rugged capability. Pricing is expected to be competitive, with the starting variant offering more standard features than ever before. So, there you have it, all the officially confirmed updates and improvements of the 2025 Fiat Toro. With enhanced performance, refined looks, cutting-edge tech, and improved safety, this is one of the most comprehensive upgrades Fiat has delivered in recent years. It's clear that the company is aiming to solidify the Toro's position in the lifestyle pickup segment not just in Latin America, but globally. Thanks for watching Digital Cars Info. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed car updates directly from the brands. Stay tuned for our next video, where we bring you more automotive news and official launches, straight from the source.